My topic is engineering.
Hi, Salam. My name is Alan. I stay in class and live in Vatoro. My topic is medical. Doctors treat patient and they good effect on people's life.
Doctors treated patients, but the engineers makes buildings. They build the buildings and
In our society, doctors have more money and more respect.
doctors have more money than engineers. How you can say that?
Yes, I have more have. In billion, doctor have more. You are a billion doctor. If you are a billion doctor, you have more money and more respect. In our society, have more respect in doctors.
But the engineers have less hours work and more money than doctors.
No, engineers have but not more than billion doctors.
Where doctor treated patients, who made this? Engineers. Who made this?
If engineer is ill, how he can build any building? He will go to doctor.
Yes, we go, then he will, okay, then made building.
This is the point of doctor. You are failing of doctor.
If you want to make your home, where from you made the home?
Yes,
You.
from one who makes build of from help of trees.
You
Not
know how to make the buildings.
no, I know not no, but some people not engineer, but they build house from trees, wood from wood, help of wood.
It's can't be out, it's too small. You want a big house, how you can make this?
I not want big house, but I want some small house, and I live in.
You have money, you would not make the big house. Why?
Because I help of doctors, not engineers. I am not aware of engineer.
But
If I have more money, I have to build a house, big house by help of engineer. So you are might not talking engineer. I not build a house from engineer. I live in Simala.
who made the small house?
I some people they are not engineer, but they make houses by the help of wood. They are not engineer.
Sometimes the wood is broken. How do where you live? You need
We make another house from wood. By wood.
how you made this?
I have said you some people make houses by wood, not cement. करेंगे नहीं अदर वो.
Many times the woods is cutting, any deforestation. It is an harm the environment. Why you are cutting the woods?
We cut some.
But why some? It's an harmful.
We use
What?
wood.
It's an harmful for environment. You are doctor. You clean the environment and you cut the tree. How?
We cut some. You suppose you are I am a doctor. I have not job. I have studied 4 years. I will. I have not job. I will open my clinic and I will earn my field medical.
You made the clinic of wood. You made the clinic of wood.
Yes.
There are no any patient comes in your
Why?
clinic.
They have infection. They will come. They have
They go and
they,
they go and
they will go to doctor, not engineer. I am in favor of doctor. They will go to doctor.
I know, but where you treated the patients, you have no hospitals.
I will treat under the tree. People treat under the tree.
No one comes to you.
Why? They have disease. They will come.
They come to another doctor.
Why they are come? I am a brilliant doctor. People will come to me.
So you are brilliant doctor. You have a big clinic, hospitals. But why you are making the clinic of wood? The wood is, you cut the wood is deforestation. It's the harmful the environment. You are the doctor. You clean the environment. You are cutting the wood. You harmful the environment. It means you are not doctor.
No. I am not favor of engineer. This is point of engineer. So I am clear to you that I not build house from engineer.
Where from you made the? Where from you made it?
From wood. What are you saying?
I say that you are not made the house from engineer. Who made your house?
Some people they made my house
From
wood.
you talking about labor.
Labor.
Labor is a part of engineer.
No.
Yes.
Why they?
Labor
How
makes
people say?
labor makes the small house and engineer makes the big
Laborers
house.
are not labor engineer. If you will laborers said to engineer, engineers are laborers.
It do the same work. We can call them the engineer.
They have not degree. How you can say that he is engineer?
If you have no degree, you open the clinic. You are
I
called the
have.
doctor.
I have.
Imagine you have no degree. You open the clinic. You call the doctor.
No.
What are you called?
I have degree. Then I will open my clinic. I have not degree. I will not.
Many
open-
doctors have no degree, but they
Tell
open
me.
the
Tell me.
clinic.
Tell me. Which doctors have not degree?
I don't know the name of this.
Why? How you can say that doctors have not degree?
Doctors have degree, but many times doctors open the clinic, but they don't know about any how to treat the patients.
They have studied in 4 years. How you can say that they cannot know that how to treat patient? They have studied 4 years.
If anyone not understanding the stadium, how he can make the doctor? How he can pass the exam of doctor? He is not.
Clear point?
If anyone not understand the stadium, the doctor,
Why? Why he cannot understand? He have studied. He can understand.
If he cannot understand the study,
Why?
why?
He can understand anything. Any people not taught from birth. Anyone people taught here in the world.
Many students they want to become a doctor, but there are no low percentage they will become an engineer. Why?
What do you say?
If you want to become a doctor, you are not selection doctor. What you do?
If you are an engineer, you are not selected. What you will do?
I will try another time.
I will try in medical field another time.
But you try only 3 times. We will try many times.
We will try. We can try.
If you can try 3 times, the 4th time you are not selected, but we are selected.
We will open our clinic.
But you have no degree. How do you open the clinic?
We have degree.
You do not pass this exam. How you have the degree?